Going through a divorce brings many questions, and often, the biggest ones revolve around finances. It is natural to wonder what will happen to the things you and your spouse have worked so hard to build together. In a divorce settlement, assets are divided according to the laws of your specific state, which generally fall into one of two categories: equitable distribution or community property. The majority of states follow an equitable distribution model. This means that instead of a simple 50-50 split, the court aims for a fair and just division of marital property. Fairness does not always mean equal, and many factors are considered. These factors can include the length of the marriage, the age and health of each spouse, their respective earning capacities, and contributions to the marriage, both financial and non-financial. The court might also look at things like childcare responsibilities or whether one spouse supported the other's education. A smaller number of states, such as California and Texas, operate under community property laws. In these states, all assets and debts acquired by either spouse during the marriage are considered jointly owned and are typically divided equally, a true 50-50 split. Crucially, both systems distinguish between marital property and separate property. Marital property includes everything acquired from the date of marriage until the separation. Separate property generally covers assets owned before the marriage, or those received individually as gifts or inheritance. However, separate property can sometimes become marital property through a process called transmutation or commingling. For example, if you inherited money and then deposited it into a joint account used for family expenses, it might be reclassified as marital property subject to division. To navigate this process, begin by creating a comprehensive inventory of all assets and debts. This includes real estate, bank accounts, investments, retirement funds, businesses, vehicles, and even personal property. Gathering all relevant financial documents like bank statements and tax returns is also a vital step. Open and honest financial disclosure is paramount, as hiding assets can lead to severe legal penalties. Many couples also find success through mediation, where a neutral third party helps facilitate an agreement, potentially saving time and legal fees. Understanding how assets are divided in divorce empowers you to protect your financial future and approach your settlement with clarity. With this knowledge, you can make informed decisions, ensuring a more stable foundation for your next chapter.